Hey there, is VLC not playing any sound in your videos? No worries, I've got your back. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through fixing that on your computer. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Set proper audio output API and device in VLC. First off, open up VLC on your computer. Then head to the top bar and click on Tools. After that, choose Preferences from the drop-down menu. Next up, switch over to the Audio tab. From there, click on the box next to Output and select Automatic from the drop-down menu. Then click on the box next to Device and pick the audio device you want to hear audio from. Lastly, hit Save. Now give it a check to see if it does the trick for you. Solution 2. Choose the proper audio device in Windows. Start by opening up Settings, then click on System from the left side menu. Next, navigate to Sound. Now, from the Output section, simply choose the device you want to hear sound from. Then check if that fixes the issue. Solution 3. Change VLC volume. This one might seem obvious, but let's make sure you haven't accidentally muted the audio in VLC. To do this, open your video file. If you see the video indicator crossed out, that means the sound is turned off. Just click on the speaker icon to unmute it. Then adjust the volume and see if you can hear the audio. Solution 4. Update your audio driver. Search for Device Manager and open it up. Next, click on the little arrow icon next to Audio Inputs and Outputs to expand it. Now right-click on your audio device and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. It'll search for and install any new driver if they're available. If there are no updates available, you'll see a message. Just hit Close. After that, reboot your computer. Now check if the issue is resolved. Solution 5. Uninstall corrupted audio driver. Open up Device Manager again, then click on the little arrow icon next to Audio Inputs and Outputs to expand it. After that, right-click on the audio device and select Uninstall Device. Now click the Uninstall button and the device will be uninstalled. Then reboot your computer. After your computer starts up, Windows will automatically download and install a new audio driver for your device. That should fix the issue. So, that's how you can fix the no audio issue in VLC Media Player. If this video helped you out, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.